Alright, I just wanted to use my car to go, I have some errands to run and my garage door won't open. I'm not really sure what is wrong with it, but let's fix it. So normally the control button, which is here on this wall, lights up red, and there's no light coming from it. It's probably I thought it might be an electricity issue, so I checked the board there. Alright, so here you have the breaker box, and I'm fairly sure you know how to use these. You have the description normally on the side here, so you can check the brake and see for that room if it's the problem. I already checked it and it's not what is causing the issue. So I'm a little bit it's going to be a little bit of a guesswork. So I just looked at a few things online and found out that one thing to check is if there's no light here, to check that there is no light coming from these little boxes on the side either. So there is no light, so it's probably an electrical issue. And they said that one way to find out if it's really electrical is also to check. So you see the garage door opener there? It plugs into, it has an electrical cord plugging into the wall at the top, the ceiling. So we need to check that plug to see if any electricity is coming in. The way I'm going to do this is by taking a lamp and trying to plug it in there and see if it lights. For this fix I'm using a light lamp, right? I don't want it to be too heavy because I'm going to use this ladder here to access this. So I will unplug this one. Alright. Yeah, it's not lighting, so it's an electrical issue. So the problem with that is it's an electrical issue, but I checked the board there and it's not, I can't fix it with that. I'm not really sure what's up. I just watched another video online from a guy who was explaining that sometimes a plug can have a little button, a reset button on it, like this one. And this apparently can also put the electricity back within a room. So he just said that to check all of the plugs, because sometimes this little button will be on many, and you have to press it on all plugs to put the electricity back in the room. So I'm going to check that, and I hope it's going to work. Oh, look at this! The light is back on the control board. There, it's red again. So that might be a good sign. Moment of truth, is it working?